To set up fax forward function, go to the device home screen first. Press the pop-up window icon on top and select System menu. Press to enter the function settings page. Press RX, forward rules or fax box in the list. Press RX or forward rules. Choose Use Rule for all RX. Then, enter to Rule of Forward Setting. Inside the rule, turn on the forward settings. Enter to Forward Destination. Press the Add icon, select Address Book. If the address book have no content yet, you can follow the setup link at the end of this video. Tick the target receiving location where you want to fax forward, then press OK. Please note that if the target receiving computer have not power on, it will be failed to transfer and print out directly, or if the device is turned off, it will not be able to receive faxes, and the forward function will also become invalid. When finished, press Close. Press to enter file format, select PDF format. In order to identify the fax documents more clearly, press to enter file name settings and modify the document name to fax. Then, press OK. Press OK and Close to complete the setting.